Hi everyone, this is Melissa, and on today's video I wanted to share this opportunity with you guys. I just came across this information recently as I was researching some companies that may be hiring at this time. So I came across this company by the name of Zero Chaos, and they are a legit company. They will hire you to work from home. As it states here, it says work from home, no need to leave your house, work from the comfort of your home. You also will be able to set your own schedule, so they allow you to set your own hours, which is, whatever is convenient for you. And they also make the application process very simple and easy. You just submit your resume, they will contact you, and you can start to work online. So here you will see their the description, the full information about what they're hiring for right now. So at this time, they're looking for someone to work from home as an ad quality rater. Okay, and down here you see all the information that you will need in order to assess whether or not you meet the qualifications. The job is located in the U.S. and this is the category of advertisement and rating advertisements. Okay, they currently have 20 openings, and this position was posted a few months now, since February, so they're still hiring. Okay, so let's read a little bit of what they are currently looking for. Okay, Zero Chaos is currently recruiting for part-time ads quality raters with knowledge of the U.S. culture. We are looking for internet users to work from home and to help improve the accuracy and relevancy of the ads that are placed with search results and websites. So this sounds similar to website search engine evaluation. Okay, and right here they put the role in which this just basically explain what it is that you will be doing. The hours are flexible. You can earn part-time $15 per hour. And basically you are given sample search terms and shown advertisements that would be placed with each search results. You will then evaluate the advertisements and provide your feedback by identifying when language sounds funny, awkward, or unnatural. And they also note that due to the large number of applicants, there's oftentimes a wait list for the English position. So this is just to make you aware that if you apply for this position and you don't hear from them for a while, then it's because of the amounts of applications that they may be receiving. Don't get discouraged by that and go ahead and apply for this opportunity, okay? Because they do have a lot of positions and they do tend to have openings consistently. So you definitely want to make yourself known to them by submitting your application and your resume, because things can happen and they will be going through all the information again and going through resumes, and you never know, they may contact you. So definitely don't get discouraged by this. Down here you can see they also provide some information of what you will need in order to be considered for this position. So all you will need is to have strong written skills in English, familiarity with culture, trends, and media of the U.S., a secure internet connection, and a smartphone. All work is performed on your personal computer. Okay? So it's basically straightforward. So you guys can go ahead and apply to this position. You scroll up here and click on apply for this job online. Okay, and once you reach this page, then you scroll down here and it will ask for you to create your profile. So if you have a LinkedIn, or if you don't have a LinkedIn, I highly suggest that you sign up to LinkedIn and create a profile, your account. It's absolutely free. You can do so and connect it with Zero Chaos. For other opportunities that you may come across, you can share your LinkedIn profile resume with these types of opportunities and jobs. And it will work. It works as your online resume. So if you never heard of LinkedIn, let me just show you guys my profile with LinkedIn. This is how it looks. So this is my profile on LinkedIn, and it's basically focused on like a online resume. So I have my online resume that shows my experience. So I put where I've worked, what I currently do, and it asks for your education. So you fill out your education. It asks for your skills and endorsements, So you fill out your skills and you can connect with other profiles of professionals. When you know, endorse them, they may return an endorsement for you. Okay, so this is how a basic LinkedIn profile looks like. It's basically an online resume with your picture and you know your experience, where you've worked, and so forth. Okay, so many companies use this site to look up candidates. And if you don't have a LinkedIn, you can create a Facebook profile if you don't have a Facebook profile, or you can create a Google Plus profile. It also gives you the option to build your profile online, so you can go here and create with online form. Okay, so they give you multiple ways in which you can create a profile and submit your application through those profiles. So it's just a simple way for them to get to know you a little bit more by viewing your Facebook, your LinkedIn, and your Google Plus. Alright, so it's pretty simple to apply for this position. They pay $15 per hour. You can set your own hours. It's pretty flexible. You get to work from home, and all you need is internet and your computer, as well as the skills that I listed earlier. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy work from home. Bye-bye.